Magandang araw po sa lahat sa inyo. Andito po ako para ang may bahay ni Doc Willie Ong. Para i-represent siya for senator. So, yung mga tanong niyo po, yung aming counsel na po ang sasagot, si Attorney Gilbert Lawenco. But then, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagdasal for Doc Willie Ong. Thank you po.
Two minutes po. You have 2 minutes. So go ahead, ma'am.
Kasama ko po ang aming counsel, si Attorney Gilbert Lawenco. So yung mga gusto pong mag-interview kay Attorney Gilbert Lawenco, pwede niyo po siyang i-contact kasi siya po yung magiging spokesperson ni Doc. Although pag malakas po siya, nakakasagot po siya sa Viber call kasi nasa Singapore po si Doc. And kasama ko rin po si Congressman Wilbert Lee, pero tatakbo na rin po siyang senador for action. Kasama ko rin po ang aming chairman, Ernest Ramel ng Action, and our friend, Sir Ali Garangan, na lagi pong nagsusupport sa Action.
Thank you po. Question and answer na po from the media. Question? Mob? GMA7?
Hi sir, hi ma'am. Good morning po. Tatanong lang po namin, paano po pinaplano ni Doc Willie na mag-launch ng campaign po, nationwide campaign? Will he be healthy enough or ibang means po yung gagamitin ni Doc Willie?
Okay. Insofar as his health condition is concerned, he will be able to go back to the Philippines by end of November, and he will be available to physically campaign by December. He was told by his doctor that although his condition is, of course, nothing to sniffle at, it is treatable, and he's undergoing treatment right now, and he plans to go back to do a, of course, limited physical campaign by probably December, January, and then by February he will go on the areas which we feel that he will need to be physically present. But as always, his core constituency is his online followers. So he will do as much as he did the last time by going Facebook, YouTube, so social media also, with a bit of physical campaigning.
Next question po. Sherry Ann.
Hi, sir. Kumusta po si Doc Willie ngayon?
Oh, he's doing fine. In fact, this morning, nagkaroon po siya ng interview from his room sa Billionaire at mapapanood nyo po sa Singapore, sorry. At okay naman po siya, nakakasagot po siya ng tanong. He's undergoing treatment and ang projection po natin by December, makakaikot na po siya tulad na sinabi ko. So, although hindi po natin pagkakaila, may sakit po siya, nilalabanan po niya yung sakit. At ito po yung actually precept ng kanyang pagtakbo. Pakita niya na kung may sakit kayo, hindi kayo magmamaktol, laban lang.
Sir, I don't know kung po kayang sagutin or pwedeng sagutin ni Doc Lisa Ong. Ano yung nagtulak kay Doc Willie na instead of harapin nga yung physical challenge niya, talagang pinili pa rin niya na tumakbo? And kumusta po yung pagtanggap ng pamilya, especially ni Doc Lisa, doon sa desisyon na sumabak uli sa politika na sabi niya, sobrang nagdala sa kanya ng stress?
Siguro ako na po, kasi baka medyo emotional po si Doc Lisa about that, no? Actually, 4 months ago, nagkausap po kami ni Doc Willie. Ang initial talaga niyang decision was not to run. In fact, mag-endorse na lang sana siya. Sabi niya, okay yan, kasi medyo magastos, medyo, syempre, covering tayo sa latter part ng surveys. But a few weeks ago, nag-usap po kami, at nga sinabi nga sa akin personal na may sakit siya. Although ang kanyang intention ay ilaban yung sakit niya, pero siguro dahil may oras siya pong magnilay-nilay, na pag-desisyon na, I think this is something of a sign. You never really know what's going to happen. So might as well go for what I believe is right. So, dinesisyon niya pong tumakbo despite all the odds. Sabi niya, lalabanan ko tong sakit na to, lalabanan ko din, ipaglalaban niya yung kanyang decision or dream na tumakbo bilang Senate and ituloy niya yung mga advokasya niya in health. So sabi niya, alam niya, mabigat ito, but this is going to be a faith-based campaign. Faith that people will understand, faith that God will give him enough time to finish this, and faith that enough people will like him enough and support him enough to propel him to the Senate. So sabi nga, God's will, takbo tayo, pagpasa Diyos natin. And of course, hindi naman fully ganon. Meron din naman po kaming campaigns and strategies that will be utilized as we go on. That's why we still have the team intact from 2022.
Okay. From Rappler, Dwight?
Good morning po, sir. We're all hoping for the speedy recovery of Doc Willie, but I think many people would just like also then to ask na how confident is Doc Willie that he'd be able to fully carry out the responsibilities of a senator, sobrang rigorous nung demands sa Senado if he gets elected, given his medical condition.
He is fully confident. As a doctor, he is well aware of his limitations, no, for campaigning and for actually participating as an active senator. And he knows and understands that his sickness is not something that will debilitate him enough to prevent him from doing that. There will be times that it will be tough and he will fight for it, but he is very confident that he will be physically fit in the event that he wins to perform the duties of a senator. One as a doctor and one as a firm believer of what he can do and what God can do for everybody.
Sir, spelling lang ng surname niyo pati.
Surname ko?
Opo.
Sorry. Laungco. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
May tanong po. Ma'am? Ano?
Okay.
Ano pang tanong?
Okay.
Wala na pong tanong. Okay, thank you po.
Thank you very much po. Thank you
Sir?
very much to everybody.
Sa gitna lang po si Ma'am. Bilang kandidato.
Ay, pwede ho bang mag 1 minute lang magsusupport yung fellow senatorial candidate? Ay, hindi na po. Tapos.
For the photo op na lang si Ma'am. Ma'am, harap po. Okay. Thank you po, Ma'am. Doc Lisa, thank you po. Sir Attorney, dito po sa integrity.